Hey there, Frailers. Well, before I get into this song, we're going to try something just a little bit different with the Frailing strum. So the normal Frailing strum would be... And if you were going to do it in 3/4 time, it would be... So what we're going to try to do is we're going to play it like this. So we're doing that little bit of double thumbing. So it's 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so now I'm going to get into the song, and we'll go back and look at it again. On the long and lonesome highway east of Omaha, you can listen to the engine moaning out as one long song. You can think about the woman or the girl you knew the night before. But your thoughts will soon be wandering the way they always do when you're riding 16 hours and there's nothing much to do and you don't feel much like riding. You just wish the trip was through. Here I am on the road again. There I am up on the stage. There I go playing the star again. There I go, turn the page. Where you walk into a restaurant, strung out from the road, and you feel the eyes upon you as you're shaking off the cold, and you pretend it doesn't bother you, but just want to explode. Most times you can't hear them talk, other times you can. The same old cliches, is that a woman or a man? And you always seem outnumbered, you don't dare to make a stand. Here I am out on the road again. There I am up on the stage. There I go playing the star again. There I go, turn the page. Out there in the spotlight, you're a million miles away, every ounce of energy you try to give away as the sweat pours out of your body like the music that you play. Later in the evening, you lie awake in bed with the echoes from the amplifiers ringing in your head, and you smoke the day's last cigarette, remembering what she said. Well, here I am on the road again. There I am up on the stage. There I go, playing the star again. There I go, turn the page. There I am on the road again. There I am up on the stage. Here I go, playing the star again. There I go, turn the page. Now I'm playing that with trying to play that at least with a very quiet left hand. My left hand really is not doing much except the basic chords. And you know, there are ways to add some embellishments in there, but I'm doing most of it with the right hand, just in that strum. So again, it's a strike, strum, and then two quick double strums. So the song starts out on E minor. On a long and lonesome highway, and you stay on the E minor. East of Omaha, you can, listen, you go to a D. You can listen to the engine moaning out as one long song. Now it goes to an A. You can think about the woman or the girl you knew the night before. Then back to E minor. But your thoughts will soon be wandering the way they always do. It goes to D again. When you're riding 16 hours and there's nothing much to do. And it goes to A. And you don't feel much like riding. You just wish the trip was through. Back to E minor. Now it goes into the chorus, and it goes to D. Here I am, on back to E minor, road again. There I am, that's a D. Up on the stage, back to E minor. There I go, back to D. Playing, now goes to A, star again. There I, now goes to C. Go, C to D, turn the page, back to E minor, and it stays on E minor again for a while. Now, that's basically the whole song. It just repeats like that. And there are little fancy little embellishments that I do sometimes. I will hammer on the first, so it'll be like, so alternating hammering on the first string and the fourth string when I'm doing the E minor. So it's like, the other things is I've been known to, I've played this sometimes with kind of doing drop thumb on it, so I can do it like this. Here I am on the road again. There I am up on the stage. There I go, playing the star again. There I go, turn the page. So again, you can play this with a very quiet left hand, where all your left hand's really doing is fretting the chords, and most of the busyness happens with the right hand, either with the or with the drop thumb. Or with just hammer-ons. All a question of what you can use and actually still keep the rhythm. Anyway, so that's the song, Turn the Page, by Bob Seger. And I will see you guys next week or thereabouts. Thanks, bye.